Consider this theorem that the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Now consider this circle with center O and let PQ be any arc of this circle and let it subtend an angle POQ at the center and PRQ on the remaining part of the circle. And we have to prove that angle subtended at the center, that is angle POQ is equal to 2 times angle PRQ. This we have to prove. Now join RO in the triangle PRO. PO length is radius of the radius of the circle. Similarly, OR is also radius of the circle. So we can say that triangle PRO is an isosceles triangle. It is isosceles triangle because 2 of its sides are equal. Similarly, triangle QOR is also an isosceles triangle. And we know that in isosceles triangle, 2 of the sides of the triangle are equal and their corresponding angles are also equal. It implies that if this angle is x, this angle is also x, and if this angle is y, this angle is also y. Now for the proof, consider the angle PO. Let me name this point as M. Angle POM is actually exterior angle for triangle PRO. For triangle PRO, POM is exterior angle, and we know that exterior angle is actually equal to sum of 2 interior opposite angles, that is angle OPR plus angle PRO, or we can say x plus x, that is equal to 2 times x. Similarly, angle QOM is exterior angle for triangle ROQ. For triangle ROQ, so again we can write that this exterior angle QM is equal to sum of 2 interior opposite angles, that is angle OQR plus angle ORQ. That is, in place of this we can write y plus y or angle 2y. So now what about this angle POQ? POQ, we can write it as sum of angle POM and angle QOM. But from these two statements, this and this, we know that angle POM, in place of that we can write twice x, and in place of QOM we can write 2 times y, or taking out 2 as common, x plus y. Now what is this angle x plus y? This angle x plus y is actually PRM. X is PRM and y is QRM, angle QRM. Or we can write this is equal to 2 times PRM plus QRM is actually PRQ, angle PRQ. So this proves our result that what we had to prove, that angle POQ is equal to twice angle PRQ.